The nature of law firms has gradually been changing. In the wake of the recent financial crisis, law firms have faced challenges to provide more cost-efficient legal advice to their clients and adapt to their global business needs.
Global.
Innovative.
Diverse.
Client-focused.
Socially responsible.
So the key factor in our decision on whether to go to a new market is whether our clients are there, whether our clients need us to be there. Brazil and India are the key focuses.
India is a region that most law firms are looking at, but India is a closed shop at the moment, and when the Indian authorities open up the boundaries, I think we'll be seeing a stampede of Western law firms into that area.
For international law firms, all of whom are seeking top-end work from global leaders in business, the differentiator will be the quality and method of service.
Clients demanding an increased efficiency and increased cost efficiencies is likely to bring about a diversity in the sorts of roles that we'll see in law firms. So, for example, we hear about legal project managers being required and also, for example, legal knowledge researchers.
Client expectations are changing. They don't want to pay by the hour anymore, they want fixed fees. Fixed fees mean that where the billable hour was a barrier to technology, the moment the billable hour goes away and lawyers need to be more efficient, then technology will have its day.
Our experience at the LCIA is that the popularity of arbitration is still increasing, and it's certainly possible that video arbitration could have a role to play in the future in that context.
Technology is getting better in terms of video conferencing, let's say. Video conferencing is getting to a point where there are technologies such as telepresence which make you feel as though you're actually in the same room. Time zone will always be a problem. I think that the driver will be the fact that people want to save money. If someone said to me, right, you need a lawyer for this is going to cost you a lot of money, but if you're prepared to get up at 3 a.m. and go to an arbitrator, you might save quite a lot of money. I think I'd get up at 3 a.m. There are lots of good things about cloud computing, and there are some challenges with cloud computing. You centralise resources, you minimise the IT resource you need to maintain these things, and you're fairly fluid in as much as you can open new offices very quickly because you just point them at the existing data centre. I think there's going to be quite a few challenges along the way before cloud computing is fully adopted, if ever.
Investing in the community, as opposed to philanthropy, will become increasingly important over the next decade. A responsible client relationship, employee involvement, attention to communities and the environment are an essential part of a successful CSR programme.
CSR projects are massively important to law firms.
I think the key factor is matching the right projects to the right people.
There are many areas where the law firm of the future can make a difference.
Sport.
Environment.
Human rights.
Health. Poverty. Social inclusion.
Equal opportunities.
Microfinance.